Thank you, Wella. Nice afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the project team behind PPI Kaya Care, our marketing head, Ms. Maya Del Rosario, and everyone involved in the development of this product, thank you for joining us in the launch of not just a product, but a solution that would help Filipino access financial aid that is necessary for urgent medical treatment. So our journey began with a deep realization. The growing number of underserved Filipinos who have limited access to financial care. A single diagnosis can be crippling, not just financially, but also emotionally, as the uncertainty if you will survive the illness bears upon you and your loved ones. Unfortunately, for some people, instead of making your way to healing, some people get paralyzed as they prioritize searching ways to fund treatment. So this is what BPI Kaya Care is here for. This is to provide means and access to urgent treatment when they need it the most. So let me pause here and let us um, digest what Kaya Care is all about. So there, as what Jean said a while ago, there is a growing number of Filipinos who have limited access to care. The inflation is high, and there are so many people who are underserved and in need. How many times have I seen my friends, acquaintances, who post on their socials to ask for funds, setting up GoFundMes to help them access to treatment? And it's saddening. That is why we have BPI Kaya Care. Something needs to change so that we embody the purpose and the mission of BPIMS. The purpose of BPIMS, our mission, is to provide products and services that are simple, uncomplicated, and mostly accessible to Filipinos. What differentiates Kaya Care from the traditional existing critical illness products in the market is there is no long list of illnesses to recall, just the big three. So we have products, critical 100, and everything more comprehensive. But what we want to reach out is the market who is underserved. Those who cannot afford it yet. Those who want a protection, maybe not a lot, but at least to aid them, to help them start with treatment. What we want to happen is to remove the paralysis when they get diagnosed. So this is what BPIMS stands for. It is our mission to give uncomplicated products to our Filipino customers. First, it's simple. Only three illnesses. It is accessible. So there is the products accessible online, and not just that. BPI's network is available to our customers to access Kaya Care. They get trusted advice to lead them on the product that is fit for them, on the protection that they need. It is accessible and it is simple. There is no medical checkup needed. Just provide your BMI, health assessment questions, and you're good to go. No medical checkups needed. So as I said earlier, Kaya Care, BPI Kaya Care covers the big three. What we want to remember is it covers the early stage of a diagnosis and the late stage. So that is one thing that we need to remember. If you are diagnosed at an early stage, the policy will pay 50% of the benefit to the insured upon diagnosis. And if you get diagnosed in the late stage, then we will pay out 100% of the benefit. So it's quite clear and very straightforward. No need for complicated terms and conditions, just the big three and what's listed here as an early stage diagnosis. So, BPI Kaya Cares offer flexibility. So there are three packages: basic, prime, and elite, with varying limits. So this is it's as basic as 300, 500, and 750,000 coverage. It is flexible, so that our customers have the the flexibility to choose what they want based on the pricing that is available. And I think you may be wondering, how much is BPI Kaya Care? So a while ago, Mom Jindy gave a preview for as little as 569 pesos. It is already accessible for an 18-year-old. So let's look at this. So I'm just gonna move here. For a 25-year-old, at the basic, 859 pesos annually. Yes. It's hard to believe, right? But we made this happen because we want BPI Kaya Care to be accessible to Filipinos. You can go as high as elite, 2,148 pesos for a 25-year. Ang Starbucks talaga yung planner. Annually po. This is annually. So the eligibility age is 18 to 64, and it is renewable up to 65 years old. So what's the message here? We want our customers to start early, for them to be aware that they can get protection for as little as 859 when they start their first jobs. So we want them to access that. And then the big three, the top three killers, is accessible. So what happens when they start early? They get to know the product, they become aware of being protected, and they progress further so that when it happens, we are already prepared. So that's what we want to happen. So the journey of BPI Kaya Care is quite simple, very straightforward. It is accessible online. So this is our banner image, the fighting girl in pink. So we want to embody that. It is accessible online, very easy. Our QR codes are there. You may try if you wish. But when you go in, you just need to provide very minimal information. Your name, your birth date. It is, then we have here your eligibility. So as you can see, when you get, when you apply, it is as simple as answering these questions. So give your BMI, height and weight, answer the questions, and confirm your occupation. It's as simple as that. What's more, what differentiates BPI Kaya here also is the ease of application. So if you want to insure your son or your children, your sibling, group applications are possible. So if you want to buy for your spouse, that is possible. What else? Auto renewal feature. So at the application, you can opt for auto renewal. With a click of a button, annually you get protection. So that's quite convenient for the customers. And yes, so that's as far as it's simple. And after you accomplish this, then you just pay. After you pay, you get your certificate and you're already protected. So it's as simple as that. So I'll be discussing more about the product when you ask later. But just to cover a few, yes, you can insure more than one person, so up to five. And there is no need for medical checkup. So what we want is this to be accessible. Because when we talk about life insurance or health insurance, it is quite intimidating because we feel that the premiums are high. But with BPI Kaya Care, we know for sure that it is accessible. So I leave you with this message about this wonderful product. BPI Kaya Care provides you confidence to access treatment so that you don't have to worry, saan ko ba kukunin when you get diagnosed? You focus on your healing, on the life ahead after your recovery. This is what we want to have it. So you can dream further and accomplish your goals in life. And you have more to do what's beyond your illness. Thank you. Thank you